Finding your study style is a journey of self-discovery that can significantly enhance your learning experience. People learn in different ways, and understanding your preferred style, whether it's auditory, visual, or kinesthetic, can make your study sessions more effective. Auditory learners absorb information best through listening. They benefit from lectures, discussions, and using techniques like reading text out loud or recording notes as audio files. Visual learners thrive on seeing information. They excel with visual aids like charts, diagrams, and infographics. They should focus on creating colorful, organized notes and using highlighters. Kinesthetic learners, on the other hand, learn through physical activities and hands-on experiences. For them, it's essential to engage with the material through practical applications or interactive methods. The key is to identify your learning style and tailor your study techniques accordingly. Combine elements from different styles to make your study sessions more engaging and effective. Your personalized approach to learning can transform your academic experience and help you retain information better.